Hi, in this video I'm going to solve this question. X to the hex is equal to 16. What is the value of x? To solve this question we are going to factorize first 16. X to the x is equal to, when you factorize 16 it became 2 to the 4. Then again you can factorize 4 as well. X to the x is equal to 2 to the 4. Instead of 4, I'm going to write 2 to the 2. Obviously, here you can see that x is equal to 2. Finally, x is equal to 2. You can check that if you plug in 2 to the x in this question, 2 to the 2 to the 2 is equal to, solve from top to bottom. It means first solve 2 to the 2. 2 to the 2 is 4. And 2 to the 4 is 16. Finally, we verified that our question is correct. Thank you for watching.